9:15 a.m. market open. Previous day before market closing, sell call generated red color candle, that reddish starting na. That is where the sell call begin. That selling momentum followed up to today 10:30. Today after 10:30, first fresh buy call generated. So green color candle open. Like this, whenever the market trend changes, whenever a breakout happen in this chart, you will get calls like a signal automatically. So right now you are watching the video na. Like this, daily you will watch this chart, you will get the entry. Through this entry you can do manual trading, and if you want to go for auto trading, that is also possible. For plan detail, for if you want the chart, send me a hi message in WhatsApp. Today it's a March 14 Thursday market. After 10:35 we have received this buy call. Buy call generated at 4718. That open point is the entry point, that straight white line from green candle, that is our entry point line. Above lines are first target, second target line. Below red color line is the stop loss line. First target is 235, so it's more than 100 point first target range. 7 minutes of trading, in just a 7 candle it successfully break out the first target range. Like this, today call generated and achieved the target. Let's take a look at out of the money option, weekly expiry 47,500 call option. At 2:31 this buy call started and market move all the way to the 300. Like this, you can change the script and watch the signal also. If you want to subscribe for it, send me a hi message in WhatsApp.